Hello guys, welcome to Medic Diaries. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Now, today's topic goes to that one thing that people normally ask when they are going to the hospital, ultrasound. Are you a pregnant mother? Have you ever gone to an hospital and come across this word ultrasound? Have you ever asked, why are they asking you an ultrasound? Have you ever asked what is the importance of ultrasound in a pregnancy? Now, this is your time. Please stay tuned. Thank you. Now, do you know that an ultrasound is needed at least 3 times in an all pregnancy, that is 9 months. And when I say 3 times, we need the first ultrasound in the first 3 months, the second ultrasound in the 4th to 6th month, and the third ultrasound in the 7th to 9th month. Now, the following are the indications or the importance of an ultrasound in pregnancy. And I'll start with the first 3 months. When the doctor asks you for the ultrasound in the first 3 months, the first thing the doctor wants to confirm is the estimation when the baby will be delivered, and it is recommended for the best time to know when the baby will be delivered is the ultrasound, which is done in the first 3 months. Also, the next thing we need an ultrasound in the first 3 months. It is to diagnose an intrauterine pregnancy. Maybe you are not sure you are pregnant. That's why we need an ultrasound to confirm if you are really pregnant. Also, we need an ultrasound in the first 3 months to confirm if it is a single pregnancy or a multiple gestation. When I say multiple gestation, I mean things like twins or multiple pregnancy. Also, to evaluate the pelvic pain. When you come with pain in the pelvic and it is hard to diagnose where it comes from, so the best thing to use is an ultrasound. And that is it for the first 3 months. The second ultrasound, which is 4 to 6 months, it's done for various reasons. The first reason is to determine the gestational age. When I say the gestational age, maybe you are not sure the pregnancies it has reached how many weeks or how many months. We do the ultrasound to confirm that. We do the ultrasound on the second ultrasound to evaluate the fetal well-being. That is, how is the baby, how is the fetus in. Also, we do the ultrasound, the second, to determine the presentation of the baby. When I say presentation, I mean that how does the baby come out? Is it how will the baby come out? Will it come out through the head or through the bridge, which is the anus? When we determine the presenting part early, it will make us to make an easy diagnosis, either to deliver normally or go through the cesarean section. Also, we do the second ultrasound to determine the fetal depth. Maybe you come to the clinic, you find that maybe your fetus is not well, it has reduced the fetal movements, there is no fetal heart rate. We do it to rule out the fetal death. Also to rule out the last point is to rule out the suspected ectopic pregnancy and molar pregnancy. You might think that you are pregnant, but the second ultrasound, which is taken 4 to 6 months, is the best to rule out such things. And that are for the second ultrasound. Now, the last ultrasound, which I said is done between 7th and 9th month, it is done for various reasons. The first reason is to estimate the fetal well-being or the fetal abnormalities, or to rule out the fetal abnormalities. When I say to rule out the fetal abnormalities, maybe your son or your baby has a lot of abnormalities. So to rule out early, we do the third ultrasound. Also, we do the third ultrasound in suspicion of the preterm labor or premature rupture of membranes. When I say preterm labor, it's the labor that has occurred before 9 months and over, which is around 6 months, 7 months. So we do the third ultrasound is done to rule out that. Also, we do the ultrasound to rule out premature rupture of membranes, which in other words is called the breaking of waters. Some mothers come with complaints of breaking of waters. We try to get diagnosed. We find no reason. So it sent down to do an ultrasound to find the reason why the waters are broken. And that is it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe.